Hello everyone, my name is Rastrace D. Pagatpat and i-discuss ko po yung effects ng bad posture. Bad posture is a common problem, especially among the students and people who spend long sitting or using gadgets. Kapag palaging nakayoko or nakasubsob sa cellphone o mali ang posisyon sa pag-upo at pagtayo, unting-unting naapektuhan nito ang katawan. Una, bad posture can cause neck, shoulder, and back pain. Dahil mabigat ang ulo, kapag nakayuko ito, mas napipilit ang magtrabaho ang neck muscles. This exercise leads to pain and stiffness. The shoulders also move forward causing discomfort, while the back carries uneven weight leading to back pain. Pangalawa, bad posture can result headache. Kapag laging tense ang muscle sa leg at balikat, naapektuhan nito ang blood flow which can trigger headache. Ito ang karaniwang sa mga taong matagal nang nakaupo sa maling posisyon. Pangatlo, bad posture causes muscle fatigue. Dahil laging nakaka-stress ang muscle, mabilis mapagod ang katawan nito. Kahit hindi mabigat ang ginagawa, parang lagi kang pagod dahil overwork ang muscle na sumusuporta sa posture. Pang-apat, bad posture can lead to stomach and digestive problems. Kapag nakayuko, naiipit ang tiyan at iba pang internal organs, which can cause discomfort, bloating, or indigestion. Mas malalong lalala ang paghinga mo dahil sa maling pag-upo, especially kung pagtapos kumain. Pang-anim, some people may experience numbness or tingling, especially in the arms, hands, or legs. Nangyayari ito kapag naiipit ang nerves dahil sa maling alignment ng spine. In the long term, bad posture can cause spine problems such as misalignment and can lead to chronic pain. Kapag nasanay ang katawan sa maling posture, mahirap itong itama at maaaring magdulot ng permanent damage. In conclusion, bad posture may seem harmless, pero marami itong negatibong epekto sa katawan. Kaya mahalagang mag-practice ng proper posture, take regular breaks, and be mindful of how we sit, stand, and move every day.